This is to the FBAs who criticize me and so-called black liberals. Do you realize that President Trump is challenging birthright citizenship to return it back to the way it was pre-1898? The case that says if you born on U.S. soil is WongKim versus U.S. versus WongKim. That established that if you was born here, you're a U.S. citizen. That undermined the 14th Amendment and black people push for equality. And I'm going to tell you how. The same people who voted for USA versus WongKim that said anybody born on the soil is U.S. citizens were the same people who voted Plessy v. Ferguson, which established separate but equal segregation. I want you to look at here, the WongKim. Now, I want you to look here at U.S. Plessy v. Ferguson. Those were the exact same justices. They did that to undermine the black race. They did that for that reason only. If you look at that Supreme Court voting records, when things came up, like the first black officer who tried to graduate from West Point, if you ever look at it, the guy who played Jack McCoy on Law and Order, he played a defense attorney, and the black dude who played Elijah Muhammad in Malcolm X, there was a movie based on the first black graduate from West Point, and I have it in the video here. Well, in the movie, white guys who was candidates punching him, and he fought back. They threw him out. They took it to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court ruled for him and threw it back out. Said that was right. That he did hit them. He shouldn't have hit back. They had been undermining, and because of that, black growth halted because of that Supreme Court. So my question to you is this. How can you get mad at Trump for returning something back that will put black America voting back to where it's supposed to be? Whites, blacks, then Latinos, then Asians. Because if you remove all those who have been here because of birthright citizenship, anchor babies, our voting block goes up significantly, putting us back where we're supposed to be. Not the last of the minorities, but the first.